here I want to pick up stitches in a straight line so that I can knit from them to add a pleat or a ruffle or what have you. So the easiest way to do this is to have your work lying flat so that you can see the stitches easily. And then what I'm going to do is pick up the left leg of each stitch in a row. So I'm going to use the tip of the needle to do that, and I'm going to push the needle along with my right hand and my thumb. I'm not distorting the work as I do this by just pushing the tip of the needle in and then inching it along so that I can see that I'm staying in the same row, because it's surprisingly easy to get off by a row if you're not paying attention. Now when you slide the stitches down, be sure you hold the needle, because otherwise the stitches will have a tendency to pop off the tip of the needle. Like so.